everyone, this is your math guru. In this video, I'm going to show you how to solve the following question on pie chart. The below pie chart shows the sale of different fruits in a day for a shop. 1. If a total of 1,200 kilograms of fruits were sold in a day, calculate the amount of bananas sold in kilogram. The second question says find the difference between sales of grapes and oranges. And the third question says calculate in degrees the amount of apple sold. I'm starting with the first part of the question. It says if a total of 1,200 kilograms of fruits were sold in a day, calculate the amount of bananas sold in kilogram. So note that the total fruit equals 1,200 kilogram. So therefore, if I go back to the chart to calculate the amount of bananas sold, bananas, the percentage given is 30%. So all I need to do is to find banana equals 30% of the total amount sold, 1,200 kilogram. Percentage, that's over 100, so I have that as 30 over 100 times 1,200 kilogram. So therefore, in kilograms, the amount of bananas sold, I'm taking out my factors, will be 30 times 12, which is 360 kilograms of bananas. The second part of the question says, that's number 2, find the difference between sales of grapes and oranges. If I go back to the pie chart, oranges, we have 15% sold, and grapes, we have 10% sold. So I'm going to have the number of oranges minus the number of grapes. So I have oranges minus grapes. And to calculate that, I'm going to find the percentage of oranges minus the percentage of grapes sold. So oranges, that's 15%. I'm going to use the bracket. I have 15% of the total kilogram of fruit sold, that's 1,200, minus grapes, 10% of the total number of fruit sold, 1,200, all in kilograms, and that will give me 15 over 100. I'm changing my percentage to fraction of, that's multiplying 1,200 kilogram, minus 10%, 10 over 100, times 1,200. I'm going to take out my zeros to make my computation easier. So I have that as 15 times 12, that's 180 kilogram, minus 10 times 12, 120 kilogram. And the difference will be 60 kilogram. So the last part of the question says, calculate in degrees the amount of apples sold. So to do that in degree, I have degree of apples sold. I'll start by finding the kilogram, the value of the amount of apples sold. I have that as 25%. So I first of all need to find 25% of the total fruit sold, 1,200 kilogram. That's 25 divided by 100 times 1,200. I have my zeros going off. I'm left with 12 times 25, and that will give me 300 kilogram. Therefore, to find or to convert that to degree, that will be 300 kilogram over the total kilogram of fruit sold, 1,200. Then I'm going to try to split up 360 degrees. That's a sum of angles at the point. So if I add all the angles in the pie chart shown, that should add up to 360. So I'm trying to split up 360 degree to know what value 300 kilogram will give me. And if I do that correctly, I have my zeros going off as shown. I'm left with 3 times 360 divided by 12, that will give me 90 degrees. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to click on the like and subscribe button below for more easy to understand math concepts. Bye.